I also wanna touch on this thing yama-planets ukuthi isebenza kanjani nama-zodiac signs. I-zodiac sign yokuqala u-Aries because ukwi-spring equinox ngesikhathi beqala beyekhanda lento uyena waqala kuqala. So umuntu oku-Aries umuntu ofana like a child, but i-child uyayazi na ukuthi iba nayo i-drama, ifuna ukuhamba phambili ey'ntweni, ifuna nokuthi ijatshulelwe. So as a result abantu baka-Aries bayathanda ukuthi babe nalawo ma-qualities lawo. Elandelayo kuba u-Taurus, and then kube u-Gemini, u-Cancer, u-Leo, u-Virgo, and then u-Libra, Scorpio, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Pisces. Yes, I think ngiwalandelanise kahle. So lama zodiac signs ayakhava wonke abe u-12 ukuze kuphelele isikhathi esingangonyaka. Kodwa ke kuphinde kube khona nama-planets-ke. Thina sinama zodiac signs esingena kuwona. Kodwa emkhathini ama-planets asuke emi ngendlela ethize. Ama-planets asuke ngesikhathi wena ozalwa ngaso. Ilanga ne-moon nayo ifakwa khona lapho as part of ama-planets because nabo bayasi-affecta nge-energy yabo. So lento i-outline ukuthi asifani kanjani singabantu. Each zodiac sign inendlela yayo yenza ngayo izinto, but nakhona lapho ngaphakathi kwi-zodiac sign iyodwa, umuntu nomuntu unesikhathi azalwa ngaso ne-position yama-planets ngendlela ayemi ngayo to that person angeke ifane neyomunye umuntu. Because i-birth chart isho ukuthi wazalelwa kuphi ngasikhathini ngayiphi date, leyo position yama-planets angeke ifane neyomunye umuntu. It's important ke ukuthi sazi ukuthi in each zodiac sign angeke size sifane. Lento ichaza ukuthini emhlabeni inkinga ziningi esibhekana nazo kodwa angeke sisolve ngendlela eyodwa. Sebenzisa leyo ndlela oyizwa ngaphakathi kuwena because isho ukuthi i-universe ikhuluma nawe specifically ngaleyo ndlela. You are so unique in such a manner that kubalekile ukuthi uwenze introspection and go within and find yourself ku-universe ukuthi ithini position yakho, ama-planets akhuluma thini nawe, because when you listen to the energy of the planets you are listening to the universe itself, you are listening to God. Go within and find yourself and find ama-solutions azokusebenzela wena and be confident entweni yakho oyizwa ngaphakathi. Ilapho uthola khona-ke i-leadership from i-universe. Uma wena usu-strong, usuzazi ukuthi I play a part in the universe, I am part of the universe is part of me. That is the key in finding yourself, so that uzokwazi ukuthi uyi-understande naye i-astrology le.